Good morning, guys. So it's me, your girl Pam TZ. Welcome to my channel. Your girl, your lady is about to turn 50. Yeah, you know what I mean. And I'm going to London, guys. You know, it's about to get down. It's about to get down. It's about to get down. Ade is fixing me here, as you can see. She's doing my hair. Oh, making me glamorous.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Get your wig from Ade.
Absolutely. I'll leave the link down below, guys, so you can holla your sister. Yeah. So, guys, I'll take you to London later. Yeah. Let me just finish here, and I'll see you in a bit. And I'm going to the hotel to meet my friend, and we start the party. We're like literally in London right now. Yeah, you know the lingo and you know the tingo. Hello, besties. So I just arrived at Novotel Hotel, and it's so beautiful, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you through. It's my birthday scene. And yeah, so one of my friends decided to, you know, treat me with this, and she's gonna arrive any minute. Yeah. So I'm so excited, guys. We are in Canary Wharf. There's a hotel just beside this one, not far from here. I stayed a few times with my girls. So yeah, I can't wait to just go out down and just, you know, and just show you around. Anyway, let me show you the room tour, guys. And yeah, to the 50. Hooray to the 50. I can't wait. Yes. So I thank God, for keeping me safe all through. Yes, all the glory to God. I cannot do this without thanking God. It was all by God's grace. Yes, yeah. So, yeah, and there's so many things to come. There's a party to come. There's, oh, whoa, wait for it. Yep. Yeah. My lovely, I like starting from the bathroom, and this is the bathroom. You go here. Yep, you got a little bit something going on, and this is the shower. This is standing shower, and that's how it look like. And if you turn here, there's a toilet, and the toilet paper is just there. Yep. I always like to show you how the toilet is clean. It's actually clean. Yeah, and my nails are clean. Just done. Okay, so let me move back first. This hotel is so good, guys. It's in Canary Wharf, and you can connect. There's an overhead train, downstairs, and here is the storage. That's where you're gonna put your things, yourself, and dryer is all there. Yep. And then as we go here, there's a little fridge here, but it's only got those 2 drinks. And what is here? Let's see. Oh, it's empty. I always like when I go to a hotel and they have like goodies. And then you got 2 cups there. And when we get here, you got a desk there, and here you have the window, which is showing very, I can't wait to show you. Oh my God, guys, I didn't even know this. Look, what is this? Insane. What a view. Do you know what? I think I have stayed in that hotel I don't know this building, but I think it looked familiar. That is so absolutely amazing. In the night, I can't wait. So that is a selling point. What? And that's the bed. Yeah, it's a twinny bed, kind of. Yeah. Yeah. So how do you open this? This is that's the same shower. Okay. All right, so that's a room tour, my lovely. The TV is here. Sorry, I forgot to show you the TV. That's it. And I'm gonna take you downstairs to the swimming. Oh, here they got like a chair there where you can sit, and the table just beside it. To all my besties. Oh, I can see the shad. Oh my God, the shad is just opposite me. Like right now, I can see it. Anyway, guys. My besties, I would like to just take this opportunity to say thank you to all of you, like all my besties. You know yourselves, I don't even know which name to call and which to leave out. Like all of you being so amazing, especially at these like difficult times. Like you all know like how it's been, like with your lady hair. It's not been easy, but you guys pulled up the strings. Like I cannot thank you enough. Like oh hey, honestly, like I feel so special. Like imagine you turn 50 and you see that you have your friends like thick and thin. This is it. This is why I'm like making this video today, just to take opportunity to say thank you to all of you. IJ, yourself, like girl, you're even organizing my 50th birthday, which I didn't even want, like I didn't even know like I'm gonna have a birthday, but you pulling it. Irene, behind the scene, you always pull it. Oh my God, Carla, you pulling it. God, Ade. By the way, Ade did this hair. She did this hair today. Oh my God, how can I thank her enough? She didn't even take money. Guys, please patronize my friend. Like she pulled this up, like, for your girl. Honestly, I just Bookie, the makeup artist, all the encouragement that you've been giving, pulling the strings. I just know, I don't know how to thank you. My family back home, I know they're praying for me. Oh God, I just want to say thank you to all of you, even the ones that I've not mentioned. Yourself, like yourselves, Thank you so much. I love you so much. Your girl loves you. Like I cannot, words cannot express this. Like, yeah, there's no words that can put like to compare with it. Like, I just want to say thank you so much. Even Auntie Jen, and the family, all of you. Just I want to say thank you to my children as well. They've been really supportive as well. I just want to say thank you to them. And mommy loves you. And tomorrow is Mother's Day. I'm just definitely rocking with you girls. Yeah, with you guys. Yeah, at home. So yeah, I love you so much, my besties. So yeah, I love you. Yep. Thank you so much. I've cried before I did this. You can see my eyes are like a bit watery. Sorry. Yeah. So I love you. Let's keep the video going. Let me see if I can pull the shad. Can you see the shad over here? That's the shad. Can't wait for the nighttime. I can see the HPC is there. The walkie-talkie is over there. And the river. Wow, this is beautiful. Nighttime is gonna be amazing here. Yes, my friend Carla is here. Let the fun begin. You wanna say hello?
No.
She's never in my videos, guys. This is the person that I travel with her everywhere almost, but she's never.
Yes, you can see everything. Yeah, it looks nice.
So that's the dress, for my pre-birthday party kind of dinner. I'm breaking it. Yeah, let me show you the bag. That's the bag that I chose for it. Dun, dun, dun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hey. Salad and pizza, and the view is to die for. Yeah, I will show you the view right now. Yeah, but first, Bon appetit. Let's join the food. This birthday girl just can't wait to celebrate her birthday. So yeah, so let's get to the point. Let's eat.
이별도 사랑의 책임이니까 그런 말 하지마 내게도 쉬운 일은 아냐 빠듯한 현실의 무게가 버겁고 낯설어 마지막 나의 배려가 어쩐지 상처만 주는 것 같아 같은 건가 Money I can manage
ain't no one hit. High class, so I come with a price tag. Y'all sweetie music, but she running up a dumb bag. Pretty girls get it, try to beat where the drums at. The biggie beat is me, now I got this girl dumb mad. Bad bitch, she's a fuego. Weak hoes always hating cause they built like a Lego. I can't even trip unless we going overseas. Got a nigga 6'10", so we seeing everything. If it ain't the money, call and get the dial tone. Y'all still switching lanes while I'm switching different time zones. Got him reaching for me like a milestone. How a hoe think she gon' check me, baby, I'm grown. Fly me out to Paris, I just want the money I can manage. Bust me down, I want a ring with the carrots. They know I'm the one, that's why they staring. Fly me out to London on some dumb shit. I don't want your man unless he know to put his thumb in. Apple bottom jeans looking dumb. They just told the DJ run it back, I ain't no one hit.
두 눈을 감아 가만히 더 느껴봐 기분 좋은 긴장감 내게 말해줘 tonight 널 알고 싶어.
Good morning, people. Today's another day. I'm just here overlooking the very beautiful view from Novotel, and it's so beautiful. I'm just about to go for breakfast right now. Yeah, so let's go, guys. Love you.
두 눈을 감아 가만히 더 느껴봐 기분 좋은 긴장감 내게 말해줘 tonight 널 알고 싶어 따분할 만큼 이성적이었던 나 무너지고 있잖아 내 앞에 서면 생각도 멈춰 사랑에 빠지는 건 바보 같다고 그렇게 난 믿었었는데 유일한 사랑은 너 하나란 걸 나는 확신해 You're all I need 너도 같다면 의심의 여지가 없는 거잖아 You're all I need
Jesus, the most powerful name. Jesus, there's no name that is greater than this name. Oh, Jesus, God. There is nothing that this name cannot do. Jesus, Jesus. When we call on the name of Jesus, the most powerful name.
To all mothers, I just want to say today, Happy Mother's Day. You are so special in many ways, and I pray for grace, I pray for wisdom, I pray for courage, I pray for God to continue guiding you and to continue empowering you, to continue leading you, you know, to be even more better mother. And I celebrate you today, and I celebrate me today. Happy Mother's Day. I love you so much, and continue to be the strong mom as you are. Yeah, so that's what I want to say today. You're so special as a mom. Thank you, and I love you, and I love you. Hey beautiful people, so I've come to an end of this video. Had a great time in London, and I'm going back to see my kids at home. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel, and if you've loved this video, please share it, and let's go a little bit higher. And yeah, so see you next time. Love you guys. Love you.
두 눈을 감아
Waiting for my
기분 좋은 긴장감 내게 말해줘 tonight 널 알고 싶어 따분할 만큼
Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you, my lovely.
So guys, I got some cards.
Yeah.
So the first one is this one. It's to Panama. And the people that have is from Jennifer, Rachel, and me.
Can you see the one? Okay, that's from all of you.
Yeah.
Hey!
And then this one is for me. There's a little
You
surprise.
took time to make that. Let me see.
It was handmade.
Yeah, I saw you making it this morning. That's so nice of you, Janice. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mommy. Oh my goodness. And this is just like a pop-up. Aha, some roses. How cool is this?
So these are the and then they got
They're back to life. This is so nice. Mwah. I'll treasure this all my life. Yeah? For now, I'll put it here. And then, where's the one that you say is from your brother or sister? Oh, from daughter. Dear mom's from daughter. Oh, that's so cute. So lovely. So,
by the way, my handwriting is
that's fine. I love it still. And then we got the flowers. Who chose these pink flowers?
Rachel.
Rachel? Okay, then chose these pink flowers.
I wanted to choose one, but they wasn't letting me.
We were not letting you. There are 3 of them, so you could have chosen this one. Yeah, so we're gonna cut them, we're gonna arrange them in here.
That's what
회심의 여지가 없는 거잖아
Very fun. Happy Mother's Day, beautiful people.
guys, if you didn't already see, I have made this. I'll just take the food that I stuck. Because it's not really sticky. But guys, look. Okay, so this is spring, then this is spring.
Yeah.
사랑은 절대적일 수가 없다고
Okay.
So,
At last, we rescued the flowers. The flowers were sitting somewhere for a while, for 50 days. So at least we rescued them. Yeah.
유일한 사랑은
Janice, thank you so much for the flowers. And I love them.
너도 같다면 의심의 여지가 없는 거잖아
You're all I need.